Hello everyone, Dave Grime from the Grime team here, and here we are at beautiful 29 Crago Road just outside of Orangeville. Now this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home has a great layout and amazing potential. You're going to see how bright and airy this home is. So let's not waste any time, get down to the top 5 reasons why this house is right for you.
Reason number 5.
For all amenities, 29 Crago Road is a mere 5 minutes from Orangeville and located in a quiet estate subdivision. This custom-built home is situated on a beautiful 1.6 acres. Various mature trees line the property for privacy and wildlife, and large grassy areas for kids and pets to play. Set well back from the road, it ensures even more privacy. Now, on to the next reason.
Reason number 4.
Now, before we go inside, let's take a look at a couple of the walkouts. Off the master bedroom, we have one deck with a great covered porch area. It overlooks the backyard and has a long wheelchair-accessible deck which leads to the front of the house. Off the living room, we also have another private deck overlooking the side yard, perfect for outdoor dining and summer entertaining. Now let's get out of the cold and go inside.
Reason number 3. The upper level of this house boasts 3 bedrooms.
Bedroom 1 and 2 are a good size with ample closet space. A 4-piece bath serves these 2 bedrooms.
And we also have our first master bedroom up here.
It's a great size, has double closets and its own 3-piece ensuite.
And another cool thing is that it overlooks the great room, providing even more natural light. Now, let's go downstairs. Reason number 2. Now here we are in the second master bedroom on the main level.
Again, this bedroom is huge and walks out to the wheelchair-accessible back deck. It also has its own large 3-piece bath with spacious walk-in shower.
On to reason number 1. And reason number 1. Now, I mentioned before this house is bright and airy.
The large updated windows allow an abundance of natural light.
Here I am in the great room with soaring 16-foot ceilings, and you can access the 2-car garage from here that has a handy lift for a wheelchair. Or you use it for luggage, groceries, appliances, anything heavy. Super handy. The great room also has awesome hardwood floors, some of which were milled from cherry trees on this very lot.
The dining area overlooks the large kitchen with loads of cupboard space. We also have a cozy living room with gas fireplace which also walks out to the private side deck.
What an outstanding functional layout. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch a video tour of this fantastic home on a great lot and close to town. Now the market's hot, so don't hesitate to give our office a call for your personal tour. And check out more pictures and information at www.29crago.com. Till next time, see you later.